I don't want to be dramatic, but I think I have discovered the best eye makeup hacks on the internet. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you 5 pro makeup artist secrets on how to get your eyes looking ridiculously big. So are you ready to catfish people? Because I am. I need to show you this eyeshadow trick. So many people just go right into the center of their eye, which actually makes their eyes look smaller. You need to make sure that you leave this complete third here free of product. I'm going to take this shade here, which is like a neutral brown shade. I'm going to go just on the outer corner. I'm going back and forth in the same position, like constantly. When it comes to the edges, just use a really soft, gentle touch to blend out. Same color, going back in, just going to deepen it a little bit. I've just done the outer corner. Can you see that I've completely left this inner corner free? Now this is a brightening hack that will make your eyes look like you've had 8 hours sleep. Take a pale eyeshadow, like the palest you have, place it right into that inner corner. Can you see that little like caved in section of your eye? Pulling it all the way to half my eye. I see you all doing your eyeliner completely wrong, like put an eyeliner here. Please don't do that. It's literally going to make your eyes look way smaller, and we do not want that. Going with the same technique of not placing anything in this inner corner, only going in on the outer corner, and I'm blending it right into that lash line. Watch the eyeliner tutorial after this video if you haven't already, because that will explain how I do my wings. I want to make sure everything is top heavy. The reason for this is that you want the dull eye effect. You can put the tiniest little bit of eyeshadow underneath your eye, but you don't want to go too heavy. You're using the wrong type of eyeliner in your waterline. If you want to brighten your eyes, then take a nude pencil in the waterline and it will naturally brighten your waterline. Can you see the difference that this nude liner has done? Trick with this is to not get it on your lashes. Saving my best hack till last. I have really stubby short lashes, and this hack makes my lashes look 10 times bigger than they are. I slept on lash curlers for so long. I'm going to take my lash curler and just curl up my lashes as much as I can from the root. I want to put some pressure behind it. Do not be scared that your lashes are going to fall off, because they won't. I really want to try one of those lash curlers that are heated. Let me know if you tried it in the comments. You need to pair a lash curler with a waterproof mascara. I'm telling you, there is something in waterproof mascara that just is game changing when it comes to lashes. Just going to add a little bit of my favorite waterproof mascara, which is the YSL Lash Clash. I also love the Maybelline waterproof Sky High. Look at the difference. I am just giving away my secrets at this point. This is my makeup completely done. Look how big my eyes look. This video is part of my beginner beauty bootcamp series, where I teach you simple tips on how to improve your makeup. In my next video, I teach you all my makeup secrets on how to instantly improve your makeup. All of the links will be in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one.